In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet sharing permissions so you can collaborate with team members while controlling exactly what they can access and edit. First, open the sheet, report, or dashboard you want to share in Smartsheet. Next, click the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add one person or multiple recipients at the same time. After that, choose the appropriate permission level for each user. Smartsheet offers different access levels such as viewer, editor, admin, and owner depending on what you want each person to be able to do. Select Viewer if someone only needs to view the item. Choose Editor if they need to make updates, and use Admin for users who need advanced management capabilities. Before sending the invitation, review the email addresses and permission settings to make sure everyone has the correct level of access. Once everything looks correct, click Share to send the invitations. The recipients will receive an email notification with access to the shared sheet, report, or dashboard. If you need to change permissions later, simply reopen the sharing settings and update the user's access level at any time. Using the right permissions helps protect your data while ensuring the right people can collaborate effectively. That's it. You've successfully shared a Smartsheet item and configured user permissions. Thanks for watching.